Children, myself L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School as SST teacher. Today we shall study about History chapter 5. Topic is Architecture, Painting and Music. This is your topic. We shall study perfectly this chapter. Let's start now. Visit a nearby temple or a mosque or a church and observe the decorative work done on its walls or on the floor. Note the colors that have used, the placement of the deities, and the work on the windows or glasses. Share your experience with your class. Also share your observation on the rituals followed by the devotees visiting these places. You can experience so many things visiting nearby your religious place like temple, mosque, church. What type of observation you will get from there? No doubt you will first get the decorative walls, floors, their colors, which colors have been used, placement of deities, deities means hota hai Devi Devta, and the work also, the windows, glasses. So many things you will experience through visiting the sites. Between 800 century and 1700 century, new trends emerged in art and architecture. As the result, this period witnessed tremendous building activity and produced a large number of splendid structures in different architectural styles. The construction of monuments was not only a matter of art and aesthetics, but also an expression of imperial power. The beautification of the capital cities and patronage given to cultural, artistic, and literary activities in these cities brought fame to the rulers and their kingdoms. Grand monuments were regarded as testimonies to the power and wealth of the emperor. The various historical monuments were broadly classified into religious monuments and secular monuments. Religious monuments were built for religious purposes. Some such monuments include temples, mosques, and museums. Secular monuments were built for purposes other than religion. Such monuments included forts, palaces, gardens, gateways, and capital cities. Monuments would also be classified according to their functions. Forts, palaces, gardens, residences, and tombs were usually private, safe, and protected places of rest or residence. In contrast, temples, mosques, tanks, wells, gateways, and karma sarais were places meant for public activity. Style of temple architecture are the style. Now architecture. From here we shall start. Temple architecture. We shall study about the architectural style of the temples. Temples were the sites or structures of spiritual significance where images of deities were kept and worshipped. These were constructed in large number in medieval India. Besides serving as places of worship, temples also acted as centers of performing arts, particularly dance and music. They encouraged the recordings, learning, and narrating of history, and serve as centers for passing knowledge from one generation to another. They were also used at times for the storage of grains and even as a treasury in a kingdom. The temples demonstrated the power, wealth, and devotion of the patron kings concerned for the religious welfare of his subject. Temple architecture during this period may be classified into three forms depending on the region where they were built. The Nagra or North Indian style, the Dravida or South Indian style, and the Vesara, which was a hybrid style of developed in the Deccan. We shall study now the Nagra style. In North India, temples were built mostly in the Nagra style. The best known example of this style of temple architecture are the Kandariya Mahadev temple in Khajuraho in present day Madhya Pradesh and the Sun temple at Konark in present day Odisha. The Jagannath temple at Puri, Lingaraja temple at Bhubaneswar and Dilwara, temple at Mount Abu are other famous example of this style. The Nagra style temples have the following characteristics features. What are they? Garbhagriha. This is the inner room where the idol of the main deity is kept. This could be rectangular, square, or circular in shape. Pradakshina Path. This is a path or passage for walking around the Garbhagriha. Mandapas or pavilions. These are massive pillared halls for various temple rites and ceremonies, often decorated with beautiful sculptures. Shikhara, a beehive-shaped tower which rises above the Garbhagriha, wide in the middle and narrow towards the top. It was crowned by a pitcher-shaped kalash placed on a flat and thick dish called amalka. Antralaya, inner chamber through which one can see the deity. Dravida style. The Dravida style can be seen in the temples of South India, especially those in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The Brihadeshwara temple at Thanjore in modern Tamil Nadu is one of the finest examples of this style. The rock-cut temples of Mahabalipuram and the Kailas Natha temple at Kanchipuram are other excellent examples of the southern style of temple architecture. Royal patronage had a significant effect on the stylistic development of temples. See this figure, how glorious and marvelous temple is that. That is the temple of Mahabalipuram, located nearby the shore. The Dravidian temples exhibited the following characteristics. What are they? The Garbhagriha, or an inner room where the idol of the main deity was placed. The Vimanam, or a multi-storied pyramid-shaped tower built above the Garbhagriha. The Gopuram, or lofty pyramidal gateways where huge entrance gates leading to the temple. The Mandapas, where the elaborately sculpted pillared assembly halls. Vishara style. The Vishara or hybrid style combined many features of the Nagara and Dravida styles of temple architecture. This style is best demonstrated in the Chalukyan temples in the Deccan, especially at Badami, Dwarasmudra and Pattadakal. The Hosla temples at Belur, Halebedu and rest of the things we shall study in the next video. We are going to stop this video here. In next explanation, we shall study much more. Till then, you do your task as prescribed by your teacher in practice copy as well as in fair copies. Not only that, doing along with must learn question answer exercises and everything for your futuristic planning, for your better preparation. Till then, thank you, goodbye.